babes, Glammedblondie here. Today we are doing a confidence makeup boost and also hair because we are already having this in our hair, so why not? To be complete, we need hair that looks good, right? I know that you sometimes feel like a potato. I mean, not a really cute potato, but today we're gonna feel like supermodels. We're gonna feel like that duck with that knife in her hand. I mean, like a glittery potato, like a glamorous potato. So let's go. So before we start, I need to say that me and my boyfriend, before we filmed this, we ate a burrito and my stomach is feeling a little bit weird and it makes some strange noises. And also the burrito is very spicy, so let's jump in. ASMR moments. You like it more on the temples or on the cheeks? Gosh. You know, when you are listening an ASMR, you are becoming crazy. You just can't stop. So let's continue with the makeup. Let's do the brows. Let's do them little brows. Oh my god, they grow so much. They grew so much since I just cut them. Can't believe this. I need to redo it again. But I think I will do it tomorrow because today I don't have enough energy to do them. So I will do them tomorrow. Sorry for whispering. It's because of the ASMR. It makes me crazy. Now I will make some hairs here, but not too many. Oh, I think I put too much here. Do, da, 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 do. You know that song? Do, da, 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 do. I don't think it's a song, but I don't know what it was. It was I can't remember where I have this on my head, but does it really matter? Sorry, I need to make them a little bit more fluffy. I don't like them to just not look fluffy enough. I want them fluffy. Now I will take a little bit of foundation and I will clean them because they need to be clean. Oh my god, my hair is getting in the way. Even if it's like on my side, but it just does what it wants. I don't know, it has his own personality. It's like a little human here. Can anyone relate to this? I mean, am I the only girl that has a boyfriend that just can't stand this thing? I mean, we are always sleeping, cuddling, and he always wakes up and he just tells me that this thing is just poking his eyes and yeah, am I the only one that experiences this? And now let's start with the confidence talk because we need a confidence talk. So first, before we talk about confidence, let's see what confidence is. I mean, a definition for this. So confidence is the feeling or belief that one can have faith in or rely on someone or something. So I think it's really important to be confident because it really helps you, I mean, in every situation in this life, basically, because if you are not a confident person, you won't be able to speak that clearly. I mean, you will have also anxiety because I experienced that too in high school, and after high school passed, I just got through this and now I'm really okay. I'm fine. I started to be more confident since I'm on YouTube and since I started that Instagram page. I mean, it's really important to have confidence because if you are not a confident person, everyone will just like spit on you, basically. At least on the internet, but also in life. Because if someone smells you from distance that you are not a confident person, they will just like act so nasty to you. I mean, really. So basically you need to be confident because you will just pass in life much more easier if you are a confident person. I mean, you will know what you like, what you deserve, and you will not settle for less. And here, I think makeup is a really powerful tool for this, because we are much more confident when we wear makeup. I mean, you can see it all over internet. I mean, there are so less persons that are like really confident without having a lot of makeup on their face. And that is a little bit like it's a little bit sad, but at least we have this powerful tool that can help us to just go through this. So at least we can embrace that and we can use that in our advantage. I mean, if makeup makes you feel good, just go and do it. I mean, just feel like a baddie. Just feel like that duck with that knife. I mean, I love that duck, and I feel like she's so confident. I feel like she's more confident than most persons on this earth, and she's not even a human. So she's such a baddie. I mean, she's such a baddie. So if you think that you can't be a confident person and you won't be able to be, just think about this. Imagine yourself being in a room with a fly that will just make your mind like go so crazy, because that little shit will just destroy your mind, because it will be so fly. Now we're going with the eyeliner. Sorry, I won't talk now because I can't. Now that we did our eyeliner, I'm going to put the foundation because I need to do something under the eyes. So let's put the foundation. And I forgot to tell you a thing that helps me a lot in the past. If you are waking up in the morning and you are thinking, oh my god, I look like a fucking potato that is not cute, and a hairy potato that actually I don't think it exists. But if you are waking up thinking this, just slap yourself and just think, no, it's just your mind here. It's just your mind that tries to just fool you, because it doesn't want you to just be confident. It wants you to think like that, to think that you are like a potato, but it's not true. It's not true. You need to say, I wake up today, and today I'm much more beautiful than yesterday. Because, I don't know, today I have, I don't know, a beautiful eyeliner. Or, I don't know, I just wake up without puffy eyes. Or, today my eyebrows just grow. Or things like this. Just don't think negative. I mean, the moment you just wake up in the morning, the first reaction that you have, if you have a positive reaction, you will have a positive day. If you have a negative reaction, you will have a negative day. This is something that I still experience, because when I wake up in the morning feeling bad, or just, I don't know, bragging about something, I will feel bad on a full day. I mean, like, really, it matters so much to just wake up feeling good and feeling positive, because, I mean, what really problems do you have in your life right now? I mean, you are healthy, you have, I don't know, where to stay, you have food, maybe you have a boyfriend or a girlfriend, or maybe you have an animal. Why to be sad? Why to not feel confident? Why to not feel good in your skin? You have all that you need and more. You just need to realize that. Oh my god, what my boyfriend just found here. It's the most beautiful thing. Oh my god, just look at this. This is so cute. I'm really crying. Now let's add the bronzer and stop being emotional, because we cannot cry now. We can't lose our eyelashes now. But it was so cute. Oh my god, I'm in love with cats. I'm a cat person. And now my boyfriend is too, so it's so nice to have a boyfriend that loves cats. So this is the confidence boost makeup Because we need to be confident, girls. We cannot stop being confident, like never. Never ever. We need to think that we are the most beautiful princess all over the world, because we are. I mean, we really are. We really are princesses. Because we already did a crazy thing with ASMR. And now I want to show you that I have confidence in myself and that I have confidence in you. I mean, I trust you. Do you want to see me eating a slice of pizza ASMR here with you guys? Oh, yes, you want to see it? So let's go, let's eat the pizza. So after this burrito that I ate today, I eat spicy pizza again. I feel something bad will happen tomorrow. So your girl Glammedblondie finished her job and now we are looking fabulous. And we also have a pizza here. Haha! If you like what we post here on this channel, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to find my cat.